but it says a mixed potato, and that's April 3rd. So it's a little bit of everything in here. I'm gonna finish up this potato harvest. I let the soil dry out. Like, there are a lot of small red potatoes. So this is nice. You know, a bunch of small red and purple potatoes here. Like, that's the beauty of potatoes. That's a seed potato. No matter the size, they're still edible. Like, if I can find the picture, I will try to insert it, because I don't recall if these were small potatoes or big potatoes. But what I know is the plant totally died back and they needed to be harvested. Okay, I've been, pulling the potatoes out of the bag, and for me, it's interesting and it's exciting in the beginning, to see all the, wonderful discoveries that you're pulling out of the soil. But then it gets to the point where I'm just like, okay, I need to get these potatoes harvested, and so I can be done. So now I'm at that point where I'm just going to dump this bag of potatoes and get it over with. And that's one of the things that I really enjoy about planting in containers or grow bags for potatoes, so that I don't have to keep digging and keep looking. I know once I dump it, I've dumped everything that's in that bag. So I don't have to worry about, oh, did I leave any? Will potatoes grow back in this area next year where I didn't want it? So yeah, that's where we are right now. And I can see all that I have, and I'm good with that. So yeah, I got all the bags harvested and dumped, and I'm now just, picking up my potatoes, and I love these little red potatoes. They're quicker to cook and they're tender, and I enjoy them. Like, that's a purple or a blue potato. So like the sign said earlier, you saw that there was a mixed variety of potatoes that I had. So that's also exciting that I have, a little bit of white potatoes, some red potatoes, and these blue potatoes. So I like that. Okay, that's the end of my potato harvest, and I got a bunch of, I'll show you here in the bag when I get on the porch. But, you know, it's a nice size amount of, they're like small, like little, you know, I don't know, like an egg, the size of an egg. And potatoes are potatoes, baked, fried, boiled, it doesn't matter. They all are edible. So I am very pleased with my potato harvest. And I have some potatoes in the garage that I'm, you know, getting ready to replant. So I'm gonna do a succession planting of the potatoes, and hopefully I'll get myself a nice harvest in the fall. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Leave me some comments below and let me know if you're planting potatoes and how was your harvest, and if you have any you know, any suggestions on types of potatoes that you think I should give a try. All right, bye. All right, I just wanted to show you the potatoes that I harvested in my grow bags, and I have them in this wheelbarrow just out here so they can dry, and I've been coming and getting them and using them as I need them. But yeah, that's the potato harvest. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and leave me some comments and let me know what you've harvested lately. All right, guys, bye.